In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your spreadsheet into Pipedrive fast. Before we click anything, a quick prep tip that will save you time. Make sure your spreadsheet is clean. Save it as CSV or XLSX. Keep everything on a single sheet. Put clear headers in the first row and avoid merged cells. Use consistent formats for dates and currencies. And make sure key fields like emails are accurate. This helps with duplicate detection later. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're signed into Pipedrive, start by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that opens, choose Tools and Apps. This is your hub for add-ons, data management, and, what we need today, imports. In Tools and Apps, select Import Data. That takes you straight to Pipedrive's guided import flow. On the import screen, click Get Started. You'll be asked to confirm that you're importing from a spreadsheet. Go ahead and proceed, then click Next. Now choose Upload Spreadsheet and pick your CSV or Excel file from your computer. After the upload completes, click Next to continue. From here, simply follow the prompts. You'll map your columns to Pipedrive fields so everything lands in the right place. Start by selecting what you're importing: people, organizations, deals, or a combination. Map names to the appropriate fields, match emails and phone numbers carefully, and, if you're importing deals, map the deal title, value, currency, and any pipeline or stage fields you've included. If you have custom fields in Pipedrive, look for them in the list and match them to your spreadsheet columns. For dates, pick the format that matches your file to prevent errors. You can also set the owner and visibility if needed, which is helpful for assigning records to the right teammate. Pay special attention to duplicate handling. If you have emails in your sheet, choose to match on email so you don't create duplicates. When a match is found, you can update existing records. Otherwise, new records will be created. If you lack emails, consider using organization name or another unique field for matching, but be mindful that imperfect data can create near duplicates. When everything looks good, click Finish to start the import. You'll see progress and a summary when it's done. Review the report, download any error file if one appears, and fix and re-import just those rows if necessary. It's a good idea to spot check a few records in Pipedrive to confirm the fields mapped as expected. That's it. Your spreadsheet is now in Pipedrive, fast and clean. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.